Jamaican woman in the United States get 14 years for drug trafficking and money laundering. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest news report. We'll be right back. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Jamaican woman in the United States has been sentenced to 14 years in prison for trafficking cocaine and money laundering. Marcia Cunningham, age 54, was sentenced in the federal court on Wednesday. Cunningham, a former resident of Plantation, Florida, was sentenced and ordered to serve 5 years of supervised release. As she was not a U.S. citizen, the expectation is that she will be deported once she completes her sentence. According to information presented to the court, Cunningham was part of an international drug trafficking organization. It was argued that the organization arranged for the importation of multiple kilograms of cocaine from Mexico that were distributed through the U.S. mail service to customers throughout America, including several customers in Western District of Pennsylvania. The court also heard that Cunningham set up a post office box using a fake name and fake identification document that was used in the conspiracy. It was noted that Cunningham was particularly instrumental in the money laundering activities of the conspiracy. It was also argued that she used dozens of bank accounts to launder the drug trafficking proceeds that were then used to purchase luxury motor vehicles, real estate, jewelry, and other items that supported her exorbitant lifestyle. She also arranged to use the drug trafficking proceeds to purchase assets in Jamaica, where she hoped to live eventually. The United States Police had her under the radar for some time, but did not make a significant breakthrough just yet, as they were gathering their evidence and actually putting the case file together before the arrest was made. In the meantime, the police have also uncovered a number of other information. The police theorized that Ms. Cunningham was the head of a multi-million-dollar drug operation network, and she used the cash in order to purchase properties both in the United States and also in Jamaica, and also to purchase luxurious motor cars and jewelries. The police theorized that she had been doing this for some time, and she had managed to elude the system in her operation for some time. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.